unburied dead are coming back to life. Coming back to life.
My name's Mark Warman.
I'm Darren Kirkpatrick.
And we get paid to bring dead cars back to life. We work with my best friend Royal and my son-in-law Josh. We search far and wide to find how a car was built, where it spent its life, and how it died. After that, we bring it back to look exactly the way it did on the day it was born. If we don't kill each other.
I want to follow some shit we're not going to see.
We're definitely going to see that.
Alright, that side.
Yeah.
Alright. Do we look like crackheads polish and shit?
Is this a 5 o'clock free crack giveaway?
It's never 100 to 0.
It's like right there, right?
Polishing.
Yep.
Yeah. Shiny. I want to shine this. I'm gonna shine that. I'm shine in here.
We're definitely going to see that.
The second one more time battle is between these two guys.
Scotch her
Now
up.
it's your turn to suffer!
And then like right here, it's just the polish tag.
Close your mouth, you beg and shut the fuck up!
Dude, I'm so hyped. This harness is so clean.
I think you're losing, sir! Everybody at the prepare for
Want to throw down? I'll throw down! Got my back?
I'll scratch your back.
Moving on to the grade 8.
and wide. Don't tell anybody I'll kill you!